So let's say that we were asked to prepare a solution of sodium sulfate and a volume of 350 milliliters and the molarity of zero point 0.5 concentration of sodium sulfate. So we're going to use the unit of molarity to create a solution. Okay, we need that for the concentration. We also need the volume. So we eventually can calculate the mass of the solid to produce this solution. So we are given the volume of the solution, 0.350 liters, its concentration, 0.500 molarity, and the identity of the solid that is going to be sodium sulfate. And as to calculate the number of grams of the solid in the solution that we need to add so we can produce this solution. We can use the definition of molarity. Molarity is equal to moles over liter to determine number of moles of solid and then convert moles to grams using the molar mass of the solid. And we know that molarity is equal to moles over liter. So we can calculate moles. We can rearrange this equation in a way that we have the definition of moles. It will be equal to molarity times the liter of solution. Okay, so we can have basically this type of rearrangement where we can define now the moles of sodium sulfate will be equal to the liters of solution times the molarity. So this will be 0.350 times 0.500 moles over 1 liter. This is the units of molarity. Okay, so we can cancel the liters and we will have the moles. Remember that this number is a fraction, so it's 0.500 over 1. So that's why we have 0.500 moles over 1 liter. Okay, so because molarity is moles over liter, so the liter will be 1 by using the definition that this is a fraction. So this will be equals to 0.175 moles of sodium sulfate. Now that we have the moles, we can calculate the mass of sodium sulfate by using what? What can change the units from moles to grams? The molar mass. Okay, so in that way, we can calculate the molar mass of sodium sulfate, that is 142.1 grams per mole. So by using that, we can then multiply this moles that we obtain in this calculations times the molar mass of sodium sulfate. In that way, we can have the grams. We cancel moles and moles, and we'll have the grams of sodium sulfate, 24.9 grams that we need to add to 350 milliliters of water to create this solution of 0.500 molarity of sodium sulfate.